Welcome to Ag's Keto Lifestyle channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make your own almond bread keto style. Right, well, so the rule is generally 1 tablespoon of butter to 3 tablespoons of ground almond, which is like the next best thing to almond flour, a lot cheaper. Half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 egg. But I've doubled that to make it a bit more convenient, otherwise you're always making it, aren't you? So I've got 2 tablespoons of butter, which is just slices really. That's softened to room temperature, and then I'll put 6 tablespoons of almond flour. You need to see me do this. Okay, almond flour has been put in. I've got baking powder. It's 1 teaspoon in there. We've got butter, flour, baking powder, and now 2 eggs. We'll put a food bin. And then you just get a fork. And then be a lot easier to mix with the butter softer. I mean, it's still possible to mix it, but just more hard work, you know. We want to make life easier, don't we? So you get the idea. It's been mixed in like that, okay? So that's the consistency you want it. And then once it's like that, you go in the microwave. Now normally you do 90 seconds for 1 egg, but as I'm doing 2 eggs, I'm going to do I'm just going to add 60 seconds really. So on the microwave, it's, for my settings, it's 30 seconds, but yeah, 30 seconds for the start, so I just press it 5 times. And then we'll come back. Okay, microwave's done. Right. Now you can see that the bread is risen, lovely doubly. Get yourself a plate. Actually, just knock it out. And there you go, your keto bread. Just let it cool down. In the past, I've left it overnight in this, and then I just sort of cut it up in the morning. So perfect with the it makes lovely toast. So you can get 4 lovely fat slices. Maybe sometimes you can get 5, but normally 4. And then on your toaster, I have it pointing to the left, so number 2. Well, actually, between 2 and 3, if you want to get a bit of the perfect toast. And then there you go. And the perfect accompaniment to this toasted almond slice is a fried egg. Even better, you've got your olive spread, because olive is a great butter kind of spread, isn't it? but put honey on the slice, your Marmite, you've got butter. Now these are all keto friendly-ish, maybe not the honey, but definitely the peanut butter. And then put your eggs on top of that, and you're going to have a nice little snack or a nice meal. Can't go far wrong with that. Okay, love you guys, bye.